everyone! Today I want to show you how to properly check the suspension of a car. This is the moment when we focus not only on driving comfort, but also on safety. The suspension is the foundation of your vehicle, so it's important to regularly monitor its condition. Let's start with the lift. Checking the suspension begins with inspecting the wheels, brake discs and shock absorbers. When the car is raised, it allows us to examine all the components that ensure comfortable and safe driving in detail. First, I check the wheel bearings. They should operate without any strange noises. If a bearing is worn out, you will hear unusual sounds while driving. This can lead to serious issues if not replaced in time. Next, we check the shock absorbers. Their primary task is to dampen the vibration while driving. If the shock absorbers are worn out, you'll feel every bump on the road, which is not only uncomfortable but also dangerous. It's important to ensure they are in good condition. Now we inspect the joints and dust covers. The dust covers protect against dirt and water, but if they are damaged, dust can get inside, ruining the joints. Proper dust covers are crucial for the longevity of your suspension. The braking system is one of the most important parts of the suspension. We check the condition of the brake discs and pads. If the disc is thoroughly worn or has uneven surfaces, it affects braking efficiency. Remember, functioning brakes are essential for your safety. That's it! Checking the suspension is not just about comfort, but also about your safety. Don't neglect this procedure, especially before long trips or after a season of harsh weather. Take care of your car, and it will reward you with long and safe service. Thank you for joining me in this inspection, and see you at the next checks. Bye-bye!